Oxidation of compounds. Dilute as well as concentrated nitric acid oxidizes a number of compounds. For example, hydrogen sulfide is oxidized to sulfur. When hydrogen sulfide reacts with concentrated HNO3, it forms water plus nitrogen dioxide plus sulfur in the precipitated form. This arrow indicates the precipitation of the sulfur. And with dilute HNO3, hydrogen sulfide forms water plus NO, nitric oxide plus sulfur in the precipitated form. Other example is sulfur dioxide is oxidized to sulfuric acid. When sulfur dioxide reacts with concentrated HNO3, it forms sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, and evolution of NO2, nitrogen dioxide. And with dilute HNO3, SO2 reacts with dilute HNO3 to form sulfuric acid plus 2NO, nitric oxide. Next is it oxidizes ferrous sulfate to ferric sulfate. When ferrous sulfate, that is FeSO4, when reacts with concentrated HNO3 in presence of acid, that is H2SO4, it forms ferric sulfate. Here it is FeSO4 means ferrous sulfate, and here it is Fe2SO4 means ferric sulfate. It oxidizes from +2 state to +3 state, plus water plus evolution of nitrogen dioxide. Next, when FeSO4 reacts with dilute HNO3 in the presence of acetic sulfuric acid, it forms ferric sulfate plus water plus NO, nitric oxide. Next is action on metals. With the exception of gold and platinum, nitric acid attacks all the metals, forming a variety of compounds. On the basis of reactivity, metals have been divided into the following categories. First category is reaction with metals which are more electropositive than hydrogen, like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, manganese, zinc, chromium, cadmium, iron, copper, nickel, tin, lead, antimony, etc. These lie above the hydrogen in the electrochemical series. In this case, nascent hydrogen is liberated, which further reduces nitric acid, giving a variety of reduction products such as NO2, NO, ammonia, ammonium nitrate, and N2O. For example, when an active metal like magnesium reacts with very dilute nitric acid, it forms magnesium nitrate plus evolution of hydrogen gas. And when the electropositive metal like zinc, tin, lead, etc. reacts with the cold dilute nitric acid, they also form their nitrates, like in case of zinc, it forms zinc nitrate plus water plus ammonia nitrate. Next example, with hot dilute nitric acid. When zinc reacts with hot dilute nitric acid, it forms zinc nitrate plus water molecule plus N2O, nitrous oxide, which is also known as laughing gas. Next reaction with concentrated nitric acid. When lead reacts with concentrated nitric acid, it forms lead nitrate plus water plus evolution of nitrogen dioxide. But there is one exception in case of tin. When tin reacts with concentrated nitric acid, it forms tannic acid plus water plus evolution of nitrogen dioxide. Next category is the reaction with metals which are less electropositive than hydrogen. First, with concentrated nitric acid like copper, silver, mercury, etc. These are the less electropositive metals than hydrogen. When they react with concentrated nitric acid, they form their nitrates plus water plus evolution of nitrogen dioxide. As in case of copper, when copper reacts with concentrated nitric acid, it forms copper nitrate plus water plus NO2. Another example with dilute nitric acid, when silver reacts with dilute nitric acid, it forms silver nitrate plus water and evolution of nitric oxide NO. Similarly, other examples like mercury, when mercury reacts with dilute nitric acid, it forms mercuric nitrate plus water plus NO. Next is the reaction with the noble metals. Noble metals like platinum, gold, they do not react, and these are also called inert metals. Gold do not react with the concentrated nitric acid. It reacts with aqua regia, means 3 parts of HCl plus 1 part of HNO3, which form NOCl plus water plus Cl, and this Cl acts as a oxidizing agent for the gold. When gold reacts with this aqua regia solution, it forms AuCl3, auric chloride. It oxidizes from 0 to +3. It means Cl is act as a oxidizing agent in this reaction. Similarly, for platinum, when platinum reacts with the chloride ions, it forms platinic chloride, PtCl4. Next is action of organic compounds. First, oxidation. Many organic compounds are oxidized by concentrated nitric acid. For example, sucrose, cane sugar, C12H22O11 plus concentrated nitric acid, it forms oxalic acid with the evolution of NO2 plus water. Next reaction is of nitration. In nitration of hydrocarbons like benzene, when reacting with the nitrating mixture, that is concentrated HNO3 with concentrated H2SO4, it forms nitrobenzene, means nitro is substituted over the benzene ring plus water molecules. Similarly, for the example of toluene, in which toluene reacts with the nitrating mixture, means HNO3 and H2SO4 at 330 Kelvin to form 2,4,6 trinitrotoluene plus water. Next is the ring test for nitrate ion. It is used in the qualitative analysis for the detection of nitrate ions in the salt analysis. It is detected by the ring test. In this test, a freshly prepared solution of ferrous sulfate is added to the aqueous solution of nitrate, and pure concentrated H2SO4 is then added carefully dropwise along the walls of the test tube. The appearance of dark brown ring at the junction of two layers indicates the presence of a nitrate ion. And the reaction for this test is NO3 negative plus 3Fe2 positive. Here it is the ferrous sulfate salt in which Rn is in the form of 2 positive plus concentrated H2SO4, it forms NO, nitric oxide, plus 3Fe2 3 positive plus water molecules. The brown ring test for nitrate depends upon the ability of Fe2 positive ions to reduce nitrate ions to nitric oxide, which then reacts with Fe2 positive ions to form brown colored complex. This is FeH2O6 2 positive complex. When it reacts with NO produced in the reaction mixture, it forms a brown colored complex called penta-aqua nitrosonium iron 1. This is penta-aqua nitrosonium iron 1 plus 1, and this is the brown complex, and this detects the presence of nitrate ion in the compound. The color of the compound is actually due to the charge transfer, that is, an electron is transferred from NO to Fe2 positive. As a result, this complex formally contains Rn in the +1 oxidation state and nitrosonium ion in the positive state, +1 state. Preparation of dioxygen. These are the following methods for preparation of dioxygen. First is by thermal decomposition of oxygen-rich compounds like KMnO4, potassium permanganate, KClO3, KNO3, BaO2, etc. When KMnO4 decomposes, it forms K2MnO4 plus manganese dioxide plus oxygen. Similarly, barium oxide decomposes to form barium oxide plus oxygen. And in laboratory, dioxygen is produced in the presence of manganese dioxide, in which potassium chlorate decomposes in the presence of manganese dioxide to form KCl plus oxygen. Here manganese dioxide is act as a catalyst for the reaction. Next is by action of water on sodium peroxide. This is sodium peroxide Na2O2 plus water gives sodium hydroxide plus oxygen. Next method is by thermal decomposition of oxides of metals low in electrochemical series and higher oxides of some metals. Manganese oxide decomposes to form Mn3O4 plus oxygen, and HgO, which is lower in the electrochemical series, decomposes to form mercury plus oxygen. Similarly, silver oxide decomposes on exposure of heat to form silver plus oxygen. Next is the physical properties of dioxygen. Dioxygen is colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. It is slightly soluble in water. It liquefies at 90 Kelvin and freezes at 55 Kelvin. It has 3 stable isotopes: oxygen 16, oxygen 17 and oxygen 18. Isotopes are the substances or the species which have same atomic number but different mass number. Dioxygen is paramagnetic due to presence of unpaired electrons.